Welcome to Taproot TV. I'm Michelle Wishoun, and today I'm here with Ken Reed. Welcome, Ken.
Hi, Michelle.
We are so happy that you have tuned in to watch us today. Ken is going to talk to us about Equifactor.
Right.
And just do a quick overview for you.
Mm-hmm.
Ken, tell us, when would someone use Equifactor?
So Equifactor, as you know, is used mainly for equipment troubleshooting. And a lot of people think about it only when a piece of equipment breaks and how to use it just to troubleshoot that piece of equipment, which it works terrific for. But don't forget, sometimes during a normal investigation of someone getting hurt or an environmental release, oftentimes you have a piece of equipment that fails during that investigation. So you can use Equifactor even during a normal, safety or environmental problem also. Yeah. So yeah, it's a great place to use it.
Okay, great. So who should attend an Equifactor course?
Yeah, the Equifactor courses are designed, your HSE people can go. There's nothing wrong with that. Your quality folks. It's really focused though on your equipment maintenance people and your reliability experts. So trying to understand why a piece of equipment continuously breaks. You're probably going to have your equipment reliability and maintenance guys that are going to be doing that. So those are probably your prime guys that are becoming guys and gals going to those courses.
Okay.
And but yeah, anybody who wants to learn a little bit about equipment troubleshooting is welcome to come to these courses also.
So while we're on the topic of courses, what type of Equifactor courses do we offer?
Yeah, we have a couple different ones now. The main course is a 2-day Taproot Equifactor combination course. So during that course, you'll learn the normal 2-day Taproot stuff. We'll be teaching you how to use snap charts and causal factors and root cause trees. But we shift it, and it's going to have all equipment examples in it. So it's more directed towards those maintenance and reliability folks. So that's the 2-day course. They'll learn both Equifactor and the Taproot process.
Okay.
And then, if you wish, you can also just come if you're an equipment person, and we have a 1-day course that you could go to. Now, that course is only an on-site course, so we'd really expect you to go to that course. That 1-day course is a great addition if you have a bunch of your HSE people going to a Taproot course, and then you'd like your equipment guys to maybe come in on that 3rd day and just learn a little bit about equipment troubleshooting. So it's
awesome.
We've got those 2 courses, a 2-day including Taproot, and then just a kind of a special Equifactor day just for the equipment guys.
Great. Lots of opportunities for anybody who's interested in Equifactor.
That's right.
For sure.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we are maintaining our social distancing here, and we really want you to know that we are doing that as we're gearing up for our public courses. We're going to take all safety precautions into consideration and implement them and do everything possible to make your experience the best ever.
Right.
So Ken, let's talk about our upcoming public courses that we are offering.
Right, we have several different Equifactor courses coming up. The first one is going to be in Knoxville, beginning of August. I think it's the 4th and 5th of August. We have our Knoxville 2-day course. And like you said, we're going to be in close contact with the hotels, making sure we understand the local requirements and the hotel's special requirements. So we have things like smaller class sizes, and the big tables are only going to have 1 person per table, things like that. That helps maintain that distancing. The hotels have already done a lot of work with us trying to ensure they're going to do extra cleanings and things like that. So the hotels are already on the hook to make sure that these are working well, and they have a lot of it is in their best interest to make sure these kinds of things go well. So they've got extra staff that they've hired on to help out with these.
Wonderful.
So that'll be the first Equifactor course. Will be the one in August 4th and 5th in Knoxville. We have some overseas courses we'll be doing. There's going to be one in Bogota, Colombia in August, and one in Australia in September. So if you're wishing to if you want to go to Australia, there's going to be one in Australia if you'd like to go there. And then the next one here in the United States will be in November, the 2nd week in November in Houston. So we have a Houston 2-day Equifactor course also coming up.
Great.
These are all on our website, so you can get on the website and register for those courses there.
Sure. Yeah, we're so excited to get back up and running and getting these out to you all. So.
Obviously, we've had to cut back on the courses here.
Yes.
And for our public courses, we want to make sure everybody feels comfortable and is and that we are comfortable teaching with them. And I think our June courses we have coming up, our 2-day Taproot course that we're having in Edmonton, and then we're having a 5-day course in Dallas here in June. So We feel very good about those courses now. We've done a lot of work with the hotels, and we're going to be doing the same with these courses. Make sure we're ready to go.
Great.
So,
A lot of great things are coming up with Taproot. So stay tuned. Join us next week. We are so excited that you joined us again. Ken, thank you for joining us.
Absolutely.
Make sure to check us out on all the social media platforms. Ring the bell. Is that
Ring
what?
the bell.
Okay.
You gotta ring
It
the
took me a
bell.
while to figure out what that meant, but ring the bell. You should know. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.
Bye-bye.